Hi, good morning everyone. I'm Ross. I'm from Cocoon Labs Inc. I'm here to talk to you about some stuff about blockchain and how our tools can help you integrate to blockchains using your existing app. So there. So, so I'll make it very quick. So I'll just do about what's Cocoon, what's about me, and then about typical integration patterns uh, for systems in different companies, and then blockchains, then how to implement it. So again, Cocoon is a technology provider. So we provide platforms that people can use, or developers can use, and companies can use as well, to implement additional services, new products, orchestrate experiences, know more about your customers, stuff like that. So our product line is engaged into three areas: engaging customers, orchestrating business processes, systems, and partnerships, and then knowing more about your business and your customers. So engage, orchestrate, and know. Okay, so about me, so I'm currently the CEO, also chairman of InfoShift Inc., which is a system integrator, and then board member of Ropo Ventures Inc., which is more e-commerce. Then, yeah, so been in the industry, stuff like that. Okay, so next. Yeah, and then I like Midori Traveler's notebook. So, okay. Great. So now now you know more about high level about me. And then now we'll talk about typical use cases on why you need to integrate with other entities or other companies as well. So one good example could be sharing inventory levels with other hospitals. So for example, you have a use case wherein you need to refer patients from one hospital to another because you don't have the medicine, or you need to buy that medicine so that you can give it to the hospital. You need to buy medicines from another hospital to give it to your patients, stuff like that. So it usually happens, especially in the provinces. So integrating inventory levels of hospitals can be a good use case to help patients and then the hospitals to serve them better. Okay. The challenge would be hospitals sometimes have different hospital systems. They're not standardized. One could be using an open source system, another one a proprietary system, another one a homegrown system that they just built, stuff like that. So there. So one way to do it is actually through APIs. Connect every one of them through APIs. This is very simple. In a normal scenario wherein two hospitals talk to each other, an API integration will work. But once you add another hospital, you need to connect to two hospitals now, and then three, and then four. And then imagine that as more hospitals get integrated to each other in a direct connection pattern, complexity increases. So there. Another option is to have a centralized body aggregate the data for you. So imagine a single entity wherein everybody is connected, sending those data and the changes of data to one entity. So it's a platform model wherein similar to some startups actually do this. So the challenge with this one is that entity needs to survive. So therefore, you need to charge the hospitals, you need to put in costs, increase costs in terms of per transaction, for example, and then also slow rollout. You're highly dependent on people integrating to the centralized platform. You're reliant on the central entity to actually enhance their platform so that you can provide more services. So that's the challenge with this one. So one typical pattern for this is, for example, supply chain. So wherein you connect your inventory to a centralized platform so that you can share it with buyers. Yeah. So one cool thing about the current trend is decentralized blockchain. Well, decentralizing data through blockchains. So we can share data with each other, connect to it, and then in a standardized way, so that people can, and the hospitals can access data that you want to share. So how it works. And then there's trust. So luckily, in Cocoon Labs, we're building this tool that allows you to actually create a blockchain network and then share your data there, and then have other entities join that network and then consume that data, and also share as well. So we call it Hive Swarm. So it's currently a command line tool like this. So you have Hive Swarm. You can install it locally, or we can have it hosted for you. And then there, so Hive Swarm is for hospital inventory. And then you can make channels as well. So when you make channels, it's basically grouping together hospitals that you want to show your data. So for example, you want to make Bataan Hospital Network. So you can make a channel for that. And then you can join the channel as well. And then from there, after you join the network, you get this REST API wherein you can add data, remove data, update your data, and retrieve information as well. So it's very simple REST. So no need to do blockchain coding, stuff like that. Just use your usual Python code, connect via REST, and then you're good to go. You have blockchain. There. So if you're interested in Hive Swarm, you can visit our booth. It's over there. You can have your you can take get your photo through our photo booth and sign up for our early access program. So we'll be releasing private invites or Hive Swarm instance in a couple of weeks. So sign up, and then yeah, you'll be given early access to the platform before we commercially launch it.